Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, I will be showing you how to fix an Xbox One on PC. Okay, so start one. What do we have here? We got some stickers. We have some... So, moving on to the, window. In the back, we got a back. You have your beautiful Xbox HDMI port. Everything that you could ever want. Dream about. Okay, let's start getting into the opening it up. Okay, so how to fix an Xbox One. First, you need to get a... We just have to put a pillow right there. And what else do you need? Oh, you need to play some Uno. Set the Uno aside for later. What else is there? Oh, yeah. Make sure you get the controller to play Uno. And make sure you get some... Here, leave sweet tea. Don't ask. Oh, don't ask how I got that. Get an Xbox controller. And don't forget that. Don't ask what you just saw, but it's alright. Make sure you get the back scratcher. Now remove this off of here. Now scratch the Xbox. And I will show you when it's done. It should be done any minute now. Okay, now we're on the Xbox One menu. Here's the Xbox One right here. Here's the Xbox 360. And there is the Xbox One. One TV. Yes. My Game Pass does expire in 2 days, which is good. Now go to your Jimakuku full profile on mine. I have 228 followers. Yeah. That's what I basically got. Now you go over to view your car, or you can even read my link to everything you could ever dream about. Okay, now go to view games after you have it fixed. After you kind of messed your console up, what you want to do is you want to go to play Reactor X. If you don't have it downloaded, you can install it all. Just install the game. It should be done any minute now. It should be done any minute now. Okay, so it's now downloading. We should be able to fix it up and get it loading again. So after you have Reactor X downloading onto your Xbox, which will take like a minute or two. Now I'm going to go to my whatever the heck, I don't even know how to pronounce. What I don't know how to pronounce, I'm going to put right here. Okay, here's Reactor X. It should take about 46 years to do. And, it should be done any minute now. Okay, there we go. Now, let's play some Reactor X. So what you do, after you get onto here, it's going to say, getting your game ready. Give that another try, not sure what happened. Okay, now after you have it loading up and everything, so you see Reactor X2, I already did the first one off camera, but here's Reactor X2. Here's this guy with a flashlight face. I will meet you in 100 years when this game has finally loaded in. It should load in any second now. Okay, here we go. Now it's loaded in. Now let's start. New game. Now I've already... So now, after you got this, you have to complete the first level, and it'll fix your Xbox completely, and you can play on it, and you can do everything you could possibly want. Watch YouTube, play Forza, anything type of game you want to play, like Call of Duty or Grand Theft Auto, any other game that you want to play after we fix this. Now, you may be wondering, this is not how you fix it. Well, yeah, it is in Ohio. If you guys live in Ohio, just let me know in the comments and basically tell me, what are these? What are these? Wait, what? What are they hitting me? Okay. Huh? We've been attacked by space pirates. Power system are... What? Damaged. Go fix it. Okay. Select. Okay. Now after you get this, you have to... This is basically a... This is all you have to do. Now, you're done. Now, after you fixed the whole entire Xbox, now you can play any game you want. Now let's hop on Forza Horizon 2, because that's the only game we can play on Xbox. So, this is a Lambo. I don't even know how I can get it on here, but my game is just literally so lagging, and it's literally flipping over. This is not the camera 100%. For sure, it's not flipping over. This is my Xbox. I think I need to do another level of Reactor X2 to fix my whole entire console and my life. After we fix our whole entire life on Forza Horizon 2, we will be done with the whole entire system update and loading conditioner spread on Helium. Wait a minute, what is going on? You gave me 196 views in 39 minutes. That's not true, because it's been like already 50 minutes, so it's probably over 200,000 views already. So, you know, start game, you know. There's my gamer tag if you want to follow me. Yeah, follow me. Follow me on Xbox if you really want. You can go spam me on there. Spam me some crazy messages. Not anything too crazy, though. And make sure... Don't leave this in Ohio, because this will end up in your room. And don't forget that we have one more thing. Just put that away, because we don't need that there. That didn't even exist. Just literally, that's a controller. That's a chicken. That's a PlayStation. Don't ask about any of those. Just worry about how to get Clorox. What do you mean how to get Clorox? Hello, this is your simple test to how to fix Clorox. Huh? This is how you fix Clorox. You open it up, you shake it down, and you have all of the things in the world. After you have everything done, you can spray this around in your living room, and everything is good. Back to the video. Now that was the weirdest ad, and now it's finally loaded. Now you go to select your car. Okay. Now, you go to your car, which I already did, like 10 years ago. But now, you go to your favorite, Slovenia. Don't ask how I got that up. Now, after you're just driving completely like a maniac, and yes, I'm using manual condition, or transmission, if you call it, going over, what, 220 kilometers? Now, after you're going over 220 kilometers in Ohio, make sure you run into a Dravatar. Wait, am I in first gear? Yes, I am.